Hello, my name is Emily Blanchard, and I was in a group with Nate Chestnut, and this is our final project for CEEN 170. We decided that there are a lot of times when we don't know where we want to eat. There are a lot of different restaurants that sound good, but sometimes it's hard to narrow it down, especially if you're deciding with other people. So we decided to develop this dinner date for two, which will allow a person to enter and answer a few questions for different criteria, and then simply find restaurants that meet that criteria to a certain percent of accuracy. So let's go through and see how it works. So we have a few different questions. So we'll start with which location is closest to you. And so this will just give you a way to measure the distance from here to the given restaurant. So here we have the Wilkinson Student Center at BYU, the Provo City Center Temple, and the Provo Neighborhood Market. So let's start at the Wilkinson Center. And we also want to allow you to choose different types of foods that you like, that you're looking for. I always like Mexican food, so that's a good option. We'll put burgers and also Italian. And we also have this question about price range. And keep in mind that this is a dinner date for two, so the prices listed here will be a dinner for two people. Let's go $16 to $25. How far are you willing to travel? And again, this is from your given location up above. So let's look at things that are 2.1 to 3 miles away from the Wilkinson Center at BYU. And then this will tell you how accurate your match is. So let's go with 67% accuracy. And then simply click Find My Restaurants, scroll down, and we can see which restaurants met our criteria. Here we have the restaurant name, the type of food that they are, the price for two people, the distance from your given location, and what percentage of the criteria was met. So here we can see that Cafe Rio and JCW's met 100% of our criteria, whereas these ones down here, they only met 67%. So there's a lot of variability in this, which is great. Let's reset that and try another set. Let's go from the Provo City Center Temple. We can go Indian, Asian, sandwich. Let's see if we can find things that are a little bit cheaper here. And also, maybe it doesn't really matter to you how far away it is, given most things on our list are within this mileage range. So let's say distance doesn't matter in this case. And then also go 67%. Find My Restaurants. Here we can see that we actually got a lot of matches for this one. So we have these two up here that met 100% of our criteria, and then these ones met 67%. So you can see that if you were to put distance doesn't matter or the price is not important, that will greatly increase the amount of results. So this is just a great way if you're trying to decide where to go and need some help. You can answer a few simple questions and find which restaurants will best suit your needs. Thank you.